Alright, welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I just want to show you guys basically an update. I think it's about 2 weeks now that I haven't posted, so update of my accounts, of my account. Today, like the title, I lost one trade of $1,000, but yeah, let me show you guys real quick just the breakdown of it and what happened and did I recover or not, okay? So after I took out the withdrawal of $1,000, and then right away the next trade, which is you can see here, I lost basically $1,000, 992 plus fees, so basically like $1,000. So I was feeling kind of down, but then you know what? Like I said in the previous video, if you guys haven't seen it, I said if you believe in your strategy, just keep going. Trading, you're not always gonna win every trade. Every time you lose, it does put you down a little bit, as it did for me, but I just trusted the process, and you know what? My plan was if I don't lose my whole account, just got to keep going, right? So even though I was down $1,000 right there, I basically just broke even because I already withdrew $1,000, and then I lost 1,000. It was just break even, right? So I had $3,500 left in my account, and as you guys know, I only risk about 1,000 each trade, and I aim for probably $100 to $300, 50 to $300 or more, depending on what I see on the trade. So even though I lost that, I traded for a couple weeks, so I lost it on the 5th. You can see here I stopped trading for a little bit, from the 5th to the 23rd. I stopped trading for basically about 2 weeks there. It takes a little toll on you because after you work so hard and stayed up very late to trade, even though you lost, it takes a toll on you. So I stopped for a little bit, came back, and then basically made all my money back, made all the what I lost back here. And then yesterday night, or the night before yesterday, I took 2 of these trades and they hit profit pretty quickly. This one hit within 2 minutes, and this one took 6 hours. But yeah, at the end of the day, I came back, made my profit back. With this strategy, with the 2 accounts that I started with a big chunk of change or a big chunk of money, I have yet to blow it. Knock on wood. I don't want to blow it, but so far it's been good. Right now I'm up $1,000 again, which is basically 30%. So even though I have a basically $4,500 account, I'm only risking 3,000. I'm only willing to lose 3,000. I only put, like I said, 1,500 because so I don't want to get margined out by the broker. I want me to be able to risk what I want to risk. Because if I just put 3,000 even, I'm not. The broker doesn't allow you to lose all your account. It just margins you out. So that's why I put a little extra on top just to give me some margin. Yeah, but then 2 days ago, I broke even again with the account. Basically, like I said, $1,000. But back to here. So tonight I'll be trading. Tomorrow I'll be trading, and hopefully I'll be able to withdraw another $1,000. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll be posting a video on the breakdowns of my trades. Yeah, my trades and why I took it. But if you guys have any suggestions what video you guys want to see, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to think of more ideas. I'll probably look around and see what people are more interested in and just create videos based on what you guys want to watch. That losing trade, I didn't have anything wrong with it, but it just, even though I followed all the rules, it just didn't happen, right? So trading is not going to be exactly 100%. Even though I followed my rules 100%, I still lost, but it's just part of trading, okay? So just follow your trading brand plan to the T and see how it goes. And, no regrets with your trade, right? If you guys haven't seen my psychology of trading, every time I enter a trade, I don't have any regrets of why I entered the trade. So make sure when you enter a trade, you don't have any regrets and you're just trading exactly to your rules, okay? So thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any questions, comment down below what you guys want to see or any questions. Subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.